Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back after weekend and to the start of new week. My name is Kashif Mazhar and I am the subject teacher of English for class 6th. During this week, we'll be discussing a very important part of speech, which is verb. We'll also be discussing types of verb, two of its types, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. We'll be defining them with their example, and we will also see what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs, or how can a verb be identified as transitive or intransitive in a sentence. The SLS for today beta, after going through today's lecture, the students will be able to, यानी आप तालिब इल्म इस काबिल होंगे कि डिफाइन वर्ब की फेल की तारीफ कर सकें. नंबर 2, नो अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वर्ब एज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. बतौर पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच वर्ब की क्या अहमियत है इसके बारे में जान सकेंगे. नंबर 3, नो अबाउट टू इम्पॉर्टेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ब, दैट इज़ ट्रांजिटिव एंड इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स. वर्ब की दो अहम अकसाम के बारे में जान सकेंगे जो ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव verbs हैं. These are not the only kinds of verb. We'll be discussing other kinds as well in the days to come, inshallah. Identify the transitive और intransitive verb in a sentence. और फिर जुमले में आप transitive और intransitive verb की शनाख्त, उनकी पहचान कर सकेंगे. Let's talk about verb beta. The verb is certainly the most important part of the sentence. यकीनन जुमले का जो सबसे अहम हिस्सा है वो verb होता है. We can have sentences without a noun, a pronoun, an adverb, an adjective, or any other part of speech, but we cannot have a sentence unless we have a verb in it. Okay? इन अदर वर्ड्स, दूसरे अल्फाज में, अ सेंटेंस कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट विदाउट अ वर्ब. जुमले का वजूद ही कायम नहीं रह सकता अगर उसमें वर्ब नहीं है. इट asserts समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस एंड एक्सप्रेसेस एक्शंस, इवेंट्स और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. ये जुमले के सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हमें कुछ बताता है और एक्शंस की यानी अफ़ाल की, इवेंट्स यानी वाक़यात की, और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग या किसी चीज़ की, किसी फ़र्द की हालत के बारे में हमें बताता है. द वर्ब इज़ द क्रिटिकल एलिमेंट ऑफ द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. वर्ब एक बहुत अहम लाजमी आंसर है, हिस्सा है किसी भी जुमले के प्रेडिकेट का. नाउ व्हाट इज़ अ प्रेडिकेट? वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट predicate before, but just to refresh the phrase or term in your mind, a predicate is anything that is said or told about the subject. जुमले में सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो कुछ बताया या कहा जाता है उसे जुमले का predicate कहते हैं. Usually the predicate is a combination of verb and an object or a verb or some phrase. इन चीज़ों के combination को हम predicate कहते हैं. Example number 1, he advises others a lot. Advises and advises, there is a difference in between the two. Advice with CE is a noun, with SE advise is a verb. He advises others a lot, so advises is an action in this sentence. The balloon popped after hitting the fan. Popped फटने को कहते हैं, गुब्बारा फट गया फैन से टकराने के बाद. सो इट इज़ एन इवेंट, कोई वाक़या रूनुमा हुआ. वी आर एट होम नाउ, हम इस वक्त घर पर हैं. सो ये हमारी हालत है, हमारे घर पर होना ये हमारी एक हालत है, एक स्टेट है. सो अ वर्ब डिफाइंस एन एक्शन, एन इवेंट और सम स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. नंबर 6 बेटा, स्लाइड नंबर 6, वर्ब ही के बारे में बात करते हैं. अ वर्ब कैन बी अ सिंगल वर्ड और इट मे बी मेड अप ऑफ मोर देन वन वर्ड. वर्ब एक सिंगल वर्ड भी हो सकता है या ये एक से ज़्यादा अल्फाज का मजमूआ भी हो सकता है. सच वर्ब्स दैट आर फॉर्म्ड बाय अ कम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट वर्ब्स, दैट इज़ हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस मेन वर्ब, आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड वर्ब्स. इस तरह के वर्ब्स जो मुख्तलिफ वर्ब्स के कम्बिनेशन से बनते हैं, यानी जिनमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब है या मॉडल वर्ब और मेन वर्ब है, इस तरह के वर्ब्स को हम कंपाउंड वर्ब्स कहते हैं. दे वर्क हार्ड. वी कैन सी दैट इन आवर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल वी हैव a single word as our verb. Then there are two words, three words, and four words. In second, third, and fourth sentence, we are having the examples of compound verbs because there are more than one word. She is living, this school is living is our compound verb, but collectively is living is playing the role of verb in this sentence. Then in sentence number three, we will have invited all our guests. We will have invited is our verb, and in the last sentence they will have been working on their project for several weeks. Will have been working, future perfect continuous tense का जुमला है बेटा, और इसका helping verb you can see that it consists of four words. So a verb can be a singular word or it can be more than one word, two, three, four words. Slide number 7, beta. Transitive verbs. Let's talk about transitive verbs. A transitive verb is one that is used with an object, a noun phrase, or pronoun that refers to the person or thing. This is affected by action of the verb. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब क्या है? जो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ, किसी नाउन फ्रेज के साथ या प्रोनाउन के साथ इस्तेमाल होता है. वी कैन सी दैट एनी नाउन, अ नाउन फ्रेज और प्रोनाउन कैन प्ले द रोल ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इन तीनों का यहाँ पे तस्करा किया है. दैट रेफर्स टू द पर्सन, जो उस शख्स की तरफ इशारा करता है, और थिंग या चीज़ की तरफ, दैट इज़ अफेक्टेड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ द वर्ब, जो वर्ब में परफॉर्म की गए एक्शन के नतीजे में मुतासर होता है. You may find this particular definition of transitive verb difficult. So, in short, we have an object. If we have an object after a verb, this verb is said to be transitive. मुख्तसरन ये कि अगर हमारे पास जुमले में verb के बाद कोई object है, वो object कोई नाउन हो सकता है, कोई नाउन फ्रेज हो सकती है, या प्रोनाउन हो सकता है. अगर हमारे पास verb के बाद object है, this verb is said to be transitive, तो फिर हम इस तरह के verb को transitive verb कहेंगे. The sentences having transitive verbs can be converted into passive voice. जिन जुमलों में transitive verbs होता है उनको passive voice में convert किया जा सकता है. Because we are having an object and subject and object can replace their places, so a sentence having transitive verb can be converted into passive voice. I admire your courage. Admire is our transitive verb because we are having an object of your courage. Then we need a few paper sheets. A few paper sheets is again our object, placed after the verb need. I couldn't face him today. Him is our object, has been placed after the verb face. And then in the last sentence, he loves his parents. His parents is the object that has been placed after the verb loves. So we may say that admire, need, face, and loves are transitive verbs. Transitive verbs can be used with both direct and indirect objects. Transitive verbs को direct indirect objects दोनों के साथ इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है या उन दोनों के साथ आ सकता है. To make things easier for you, I have colored direct objects and indirect objects. I've given them different colors so that it becomes easier for you to understand. The young boy brought the old man a glass of water. So, how did we decide that the old man is the indirect object and a glass of water is the direct object? This is something for which you need to recall our lecture of direct and indirect object. हमने बात की थी कि हमें डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के मुतलिक डिसाइड करने के लिए वर्ब को देखना होगा. द यंग बॉय ब्रॉट, कोई चीज़ लाई गई है. क्या चीज़ लाई गई है? अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. सो अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर विल बी आर direct object, and the old man for whom this glass of water was brought is the indirect object. Likewise, in the second sentence, he sent all his friends invitation cards. All his friends is indirect object, invitation cards is the direct object because of the verb sent. There has been something that was sent. Invitation cards were sent. So invitation cards is the direct object, and all his friends to whom he sent his these invitation cards are indirect object. Invitation cards direct object, all his friends indirect objects. Next slide, beta. Let's talk about intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not have an object because the action begins and ends with the subject. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के बाद हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. आई मीन टू से दैट वी डू नॉट हैव अ नाउन फ्रेज और अ प्रोनाउन दैट में प्ले द रोल ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. जो कि हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता, उसकी वजह क्या है? बिकॉज द एक्शन बिगिन एंड एंड्स विद द सब्जेक्ट. क्योंकि जुमले में जो एक्शन है, जो वर्ब है, उसका आगाज़ और ख़ात्मा सब्जेक्ट के साथ हो जाता है. When a verb tells us that something is being done to a person or thing, the verb cannot have an object. जब verb हमें ये बताए कि किसी शख्स या किसी चीज़ के साथ कुछ हुआ है या उसके साथ कुछ हो रहा है, तो फिर उस verb के साथ हमारे पास object नहीं हो सकता. Since there is no object in the sentences having intransitive verb, we cannot convert them into passive voice. इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर हमारे पास जुमले में इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है तो हम उस जुमले को पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. व्हाई? डेफिनेटली, ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. Because for the conversion into passive voice we need objects in the sentence. As there are no objects in the sentences having intransitive verb, so we cannot convert them into passive voice. Let's have a look at the four examples given below. The baby was crying. Um, in fact, our sentence ends at a verb and there is no object, so the verb crying, was crying, is intransitive. I work for a large firm. Work is again an intransitive verb because there is no object in the sentence. They laughed in an absurd manner. Laughed, uh, again intransitive. We talked for half an hour after the lunch. Again, talked is an intransitive verb. Since there are no objects in these four sentences, so crying, work, laughed, and talked are intransitive verbs. There are verbs which do not require any object to go with them to complete their meaning are also said to be intransitive. नेचुरली कुछ जुमले ऐसे होते हैं बेटा जिनमें हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती. जैसे आई स्लेप्ट एट नाइट, मैं रात को सोया. इस जुमले में मुझे किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. तो ऑब्वियसली इसका वर्ब जो है इंट्रांजिटिव होगा. वी द वोंडेड क्राइड, जख्मी चिल्लाए या चिल्लाया. वोंडेड कैन बी यूज फॉर अ सिंगुलर और प्लूरल persons at the same time. The wounded cried, जख्मी आदमी चिल्लाया या जख्मी चिल्लाए. So we do not need any object here. Truth triumphs at last. आखिरकार सच्चाई की फतह होती है. We do not need an object in this sentence either. So the cried and triumph are intransitive verbs. Transitive or intransitive? I have placed a question mark because this is an exercise um, in which we need to decide that the verbs given in these sentences, in these 10 sentences, are transitive or intransitive. Let's take some mixed sentences and try to identify the verbs in them as transitive or intransitive. Again, I have given certain colors to identify the verb whether it is transitive or intransitive. Number first one is the girls carry water to their village. Obviously, the verb carry is transitive because we have an object water in the first sentence. They jumped on trampoline. There is no object in the sentence. They jumped, so jumped will be intransitive verb. The keeper threw the ball. The ball was thrown. There is an object in the sentence, so threw is the transitive verb. The dog ran after stealing the bone. Ran is an intransitive verb. There is no object in the sentence. Number fifth, I caught a cold last night. A cold is an object. So caught will be transitive verb. She sang beautifully. We do not have any object in this sentence. So sang is intransitive. Number seven, she loves rainbows. Rainbows, obviously an object. So loves will be transitive verb in sentence number 7. Number 8, a light was shining in the room. There is no object in the sentence, so was shining is intransitive. Luqman conveyed the message. The message is an object in the sentence, so conveyed will be transitive verb. And last sentence, sentence number 10, these flowers smell sweet. We do not have any object, so smell is an intransitive verb. Hopefully, you have understood the concept of transitive and intransitive verbs. So, let's have a recap of today's lecture, today's discussion. The verb is the most important part of the sentence. Verb किसी भी जुमले का सबसे अहम हिस्सा होता है. We cannot have a sentence without a verb, beta. Whether it is a helping verb or it is a sentence, any type of sentence, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative, declarative, optative, any type of sentence, if there is no verb in it, we cannot have a proper sentence. We will be having a sentence, but it will be incomplete. The verb is the most important part of the sentence. जुमले में का सबसे अहम हिस्सा verb होता है. Number two, a verb asserts something about the subject of the sentence and expresses actions, events or state of being. Verb जुमले में subject के बारे में कुछ बताता है और actions को, events को या किसी चीज़ की हालत को जाहिर करता है. The verb is the critical element of the predicate of a sentence. एक लाजमी हिस्सा होता है जुमले के predicate का. What is a predicate? A predicate is a group of words, usually helping verb, form of verb and object, or some phrase is the predicate of a sentence. Or you may say that predicate is any other thing except the sentence, the subject of the sentence. So a verb is a very critical, a very essential element of the predicate of a sentence. Number four, we cannot have a sentence without a verb. Verb के बगैर हमारे पास जुमला नहीं हो सकता. Number five, a verb can be a single word or it may be made up of more than one word. Verb जो है वो single word भी हो सकता है या एक से ज़्यादा अल्फाज का मजमूआ भी हो सकता है. Such verbs that are formed by a combination of different verbs are called compound verbs. ऐसे verbs जो combination of verbs से बनते हैं यानी helping verb और main verb या modal verb और main verb की combination से बनते हैं उन्हें compound verbs कहा जाता है. Number seven, a transitive verb is one that is used with an object, a noun phrase or pronoun. Transitive verb ऐसे verb को कहते हैं जो किसी object के साथ, वो object कोई noun होगा, कोई noun phrase होगी या pronoun होगा, उसके साथ इस्तेमाल होता है. Number eight, if we have an object after verb, अगर हमारे पास किसी verb के बाद object है, this verb is said to be in a transitive. तो फिर ये verb transitive कहलाएगा. Number 12, the sentences having transitive verbs can be converted into passive voice. जिन जुमलों में transitive verb होता है उनको passive voice में तब्दील किया जा सकता है. Number 10, an intransitive verb does not have an object because the action begins and ends with the subject. Intransitive verb में object नहीं होता क्योंकि जुमले का action या उसका verb जो है वो subject के साथ शुरू और ख़त्म हो जाता है. Number 11, when a verb tells us that something is being done to a person or thing, जब verb हमें ये बताता है किसी शख्स या चीज़ से कुछ हो रहा है, उसके साथ कुछ किया जा रहा है, the verb cannot have an object, तो उस वक्त हमारे पास जुमले में object नहीं हो सकता. Since there is no object in the sentences having intransitive verbs, चूँकि जुमले में हमारे पास कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता, ऐसे जुमले में जिनमें इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हो और में हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता, वी कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट देम इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. तो ऐसे जुमलों को पैसिव वॉइस में भी तब्दील नहीं किया जा सकता. That was all for today, beta. There will be an assignment, a small exercise of a few sentences. You will have to identify the verbs in these sentences as transitive or intransitive verb. Complete the assignment in time and send it to me. I thank you all for your time. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.